Full video of a helicopter that crashed at Ikeja today, Lagos. My people, a woman was giving testimony. She get locked. Immediately she passed, her keke passed, this happened. Watch the full video. Nigeria, they don't come again.
Of the helicopter that just...
We do something for you. As you can see, that's the spot that the helicopter crashed into, and that's the wreckages that they moved into the truck. As you can see, the security personnel, fire services, they are all around trying to keep things in order.
To forgive them. He's a man of God. He will. He will. If not, it will happen. Oh, it will happen. Because when somebody accepted doing good for you and you decided to pay that person with evil words, evil thoughts, evil actions, anything that is not good, it will pain that person. And anything that that person says must surely happen. You will say, he's not God, but he is your God. God cannot walk from up to you. God uses him to save you guys, and you cannot. You people can never provoke him. Go and beg him. Go and beg him. These two boys, go and beg him. See you guys again in my next video. Lesson for all. Bye.